Inkanyamba Cypher Sessions, sing like Avo. But Dwanguzeli, the natives represent what's popping. Yeah, it's like that, man. It's time to rap. Cape Town, where you at? Huh? Kayelicha, where you at? Let's go. Yeah, it's crazy how I think about it. I was quite lost, had to figure out in Lele yo pila like wise boss. Ngathi on ithathe nhlanse nyuka with the climb force. Le rap the moon party, I give orders. White boss, that's why most Dwangu lyrically is a massive. Still nanamhlanje vocabulary is a passive. Mess with me, you can't be stress free. Lonyanga yazi, it's your last day, that's New Year's Eve. Bless me, bless he, bless I, finessing. Watch me flexing on these facts like 609, flexibility or agile. Doesn't mean you're a father when I'm saying you a dad, guy. Got you bumping heads like a rap net. Babusa Belele, Ghost Rider is a dead man. She you can tell it, that's a jet lag. Abadonguzeli, Skelanda Weninya, that's a gangbang. Spazes from Ekasi and it's all about Ikasi. Bakfundi Sudlali Kasi, Spazing on the Nezazi. Spaza nota sazi ngonde dibana neswazi. Now my socha, now we back us. Ngabaza banalwazi, still the same old Avo. Spaza on the main road. Spaza was never dead, it laid low. Saniki trappy chance, but they failed, yo. Cause the vision was it was never about the ghetto. This one is for my black, Kayedi check here we knock. And the Kali don't be shocked, be keeping it locked. Hey, Shayes Bugwayo, got to Bugele movie. Kaji Tolis Daz, Swen, Kulele Brooklyn, Kayelicha. On superior mode, 7784, that's the area code. So respect when you talk, use a regular tone. Cause I got changes, it's a Rojanez a cellular phone, dong.
Respect, that's my. I'm not going to quote rappers cause many said I couldn't. Out of most MCs I spit was fluent and clean like Jay's fluid. I always had it, never lost it. I was putting a street life without the number, making love with my girlfriend without the rubber. Somebody that doesn't care about the community, they always found the Buddha for me. I'm smiling about it cause my name is getting big like me, blowing smoke passively. This rap thing is not casual to me, us to murder cock MCs. I'm a better rapper so get used to me. I drink coffee, nobody is my cup of tea. I'll kill you my lyrical sword and chop off your head in the booth right here in Ears Therapy for free. It's just like that, Western style, near a cuz not like a palav in a shop right out. I'm flowing with the water, I'm so hot when I came out the booth, it will look like I came out the sauna. Do a lyrical damage to this order, like slewing a cartel boss's daughter. I'm ill-minded, there's less tired, my lyrics could start a riot. Most people are weak-minded, the Almighty gave you 2 eyes, but yet you blinded. This is lyrical chemicals from the genitals through the urine hole. On your left pupil, slitting your throat like we Qurbaning people. My mouth is a weapon like Danny Glover, I'm lethal. You can't clean my pothead with Steve-O. I'm ill, do you need proof? Most MCs sound like they tooth and it's mark like a booth. But everybody grants you when you spread rubbish in the booth. No moment so can't relate to. That's why I'm on the scene to make most people hate you. My lyrics, my food, salute to Score for coming with that fucking lekker HD visuals. Nkosi beats in your free teeth. Let me say it like that, we just puffed a liquor blunt and it smoked liquor like a cheese. Earlier this man was playing me beats and all I heard was purple and green and kerners going on their knees. Ahoy, take that picture please, cheese. And I'm gonna say assalamu alaikum, I need to drink something please.
Yeah, Breezo, Inkanyamba Cypher Sessions, go 775 Texas, yeah. Checker Joe, Jäger boy, Breezo coming through like a yellow fiend, tuna mfana in the sea. Melu chudu jongu, sabele lihed, ubamtete lihedachte, jengesizwe nginamngani. Ola opsi speedelan, ubona lendo skena mad. Go 775 Tigers, mara kwezishad. Kalinchiza left and right exe, mela stringelan, spegelan, umunye umuntu mthandazela kwazi ukuthola ichwebanyana. Bathi nyawo linda nose, futhi kasi never know. Wasithipho wayipost, yamazi uchiko wakapost. Uthatha ngokunobungozi bamba iposi uhlala endlini ungabe ugcwala yonke indawo ngoba phandle kusemsini yazi usathana kalali engatyanga ntangami mele ujonge mfethu lapho uhamba khona uzusabalaze mfana uqonde ngqo zonke izinto zakho soba mjojo mbo. They wanna know how Breezo reached these heights. It's the inner circle wisdom kind of geezer. Relay switch on and off when I freestyle. Middle finger in the air, a big ear, my 6'9". Ikale makhoneni isibali sipasta ma freestyles. Ngekho ngasithinda ngoba siphetha masimba. Izinto ziyatshintsha ibharas hambi ngo-blue lines. Unxile zonde chachalazi inyama uzoyishisa Joe. Ezinye MCs vethu ziqale ngokucula ikwaito, kodwa indlela eziclaima ngayo hip hop bayenze yabo. Abuya zenza igangsters zange wakhipha ithama. Phina umbone GG threats ezamano zenza undando. And understand ngephuhlisa italenta yekuzenza imene usibonisa inhlekelo sisikhonene njengemfene. Uncamathela njengedzedze, move up and down njengesidenge. Yeah, Breezo lo. Yeah, Gooks represent. Spread. That's what's up.
Yo, what's up? KingBeats.com out here, the one and only. Zwakala uzobona la at the INKANYAMBA CYPHER 2.0. Siphethe inqoqonqoqo zodwa dada, zi-hustlers, zi-game changers, zi-big gods. Siphethe u-Avo, Mr. Mtwanguzeli himself. Siphethe uTabrizo lo, inja yegame. Siphethe uTalast, the god of INKANYAMBA. And we got my nigga out here, Mr. Smoke. It is out here, Mr. K, Mr. O, Mr. L, Mr. E. That's Kole for you. Then what's up? INKANYAMBA.
Yes. Woo. INKANYAMBA Cyphers. What up, motherfuckers? Score. Yeah. Nkosi. Avo. Breezo. Check. Yes, my man. Masibulala. Yo. Ndiqhwaya impompo zamadatha ezibhodla siphansi kwemihathi nge siphondo zamaswati nabancathi abanditatshi ngiqhumi chize lincangathi yimiphakathi ekhaladi John Snow kwabafileyo experiment abathakathi singamancancathi ehlabathi sibona ngasonyo kwesisagathi kumqolomba wamabhadi aphumlotho ungenamthathi xa sinhlanhlathelwa nathi exa sigwijo labaphathi igwijo labaphathi ndi Tocharisha, dibulisha amanqane gakhwitsha ndisisithe singqisha phephethe kubuthuku kwizinti inkanyamba ixhimfecekida kocelemba kwitha beqhwitha abanako ukufitha sikhongozela igazi ngelitha yaminyanda yamakrele iqanyangelwe ngamafele idala amanwele kumaxhwele phethuka niphethe isikrwele flow hazardous ubhubhu nyamalale phansi kolwandle njengospartacus umlilo wesiporho uza nophopho buzwa zihorho umgangathi uhoho cela amatoho udilisa ibhlorho siphenja kuphenjwa mzila wokufa asena uya kuzenjwa zibkhali macala inxeba likhonjwa bathi vula siyabhuqa we terrified inzingeni siyanqunqa sithuthya amagophe xa sithelifaya ingqondorha ziyaqhuma siqula umnqezi xiba xa siqhaqha inxeba nciba sizi mbongi ezingena kuqhala ngolole ezazintsiba zezakhonxa ngenkonxa amagxibha uxhilo uxhaxhelwa isixiba ngengxezu ugcwala isixhobo kwinyama singqalwa ezama izinja ngasatya imathambo ndizijulela ibrush ndizovuka ngenje xukuxa uyaxhelwa hlehlela zingonyama buqu tyeshela sivunga masivuka bhekela iziqu zemarhela bukela umhlathi usarhelwa angamazwa yahlaba okwemedi engafuni ubaspara qulwa abaphansi kwencwaba xa sididiyela hlula imihlaba lokhu msansa amantaba umishwangusha qathula inkaba esinjengomhlathi embabala zombethele gusha sixhulutywa utshaba thina sisebenza ngekoro sinqumla inkampi zikafaro luphulo lwemiqolo inyikima edali baxhoma ngekade sengxoweni ayontolongo vunde siseleni sigunquma isihlathi rhoxo zikamambunge tshone emgibeni umqolomba wokhayikhayi xaveye pundula ivayivaya inkanyamba iqhawula amakhamandela njengengxenye kulamaxhayisa abaxelela lo ngumnqakathi ubuqi ngapha kumthakathi bawugxwala siphethe insontela kumgqibelo kwesabatha ngqumisa amanqatha ndibhukuqisa ngxumisa indimamba ngqoqisa ligqekreze ngqonyela irhanqesixa yimanga bexesha unkuhlubela xwila ngesinga amahashi ngabadula umhlaba usehlela isinga inkanyamba izulu livuma ibakala sithokothoko semvula udlongodlongo sohlula ezithi izandla sisahlambala ukodlula ezophuma ngasese bathi inyekithe nyathela inyobula abanyele enyanini nyawula amanyiko nyevulu nyalwa kwisinyikinyiki sinyukutya nyoba nanyoba sityikitya nonyewule nyoba sityhoboza sitywabaza sityebisa sithileze etyholo zityoba bungangamshaba amanyange isinyamfe sityutyiza ntyala isholo msholuko lisukuxa singabagruzula abagutyula abaxabeli hamba ndiyeke
I was so damn fed up with just living in the moment, cause this thing ain't even paying, only energy absorbing. Had my future on the line, on the corners every morning, had to look out for my teachers every time they were patrolling, kept it way down on the low. During 7:30 plug-in, tried to keep a cleaner image, but I heard the money calling and I listened. Plotted everything with all my niggas and they almost caught us slipping, cause the project getting bigger as we chased. Felt like I was in a fucking race. Ain't nobody out here could have caught up to the pace. Shit is getting hard up in this place, and they almost caught us slipping, getting hot up in this, yeah.
I was not prepared for this, but
So progressive with aggression, turn my losses into lessons. I went in on every session, trying to represent my section. Got a different type of essence. Thank you, Pops, for this your blessing. Your son headed for greatness, hope you see it from the heavens. I'm a king, divinity is coursing through my veins, but I did my part in mischief and I went through all the pain. To be a god is not something that I would really claim, but I was born into the business, but I still won't share my tale, because the grind would probably have me end up in a cell. So I pulled away my pride and started trusting in my pen. I don't regret, cause it will be all worth it in the end. As of now my eyes are dry, but all my feelings are still blim. Yeah.